Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, today we're going to open up a package from Monument Metals, and I suspect that a lot of people are probably getting this package in the mail here in the next day or two. Today is Friday. It was 2 weeks ago today that I ordered it, so it took a little while to get here, but I used an e-check, I believe, and we all know that process takes a little bit longer, but it's the cheapest way to do it. And so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I'm going to try to cut this thing open and see what we can do here with these nice sharp scissors that I always seem to have available. And let me come down this other side a little bit. Tear this sucker open. There we go. Alright. Alright. A bubble wrap inside a box. That's cool though. Love stuff to be well packaged, even if it is some constitutional silver. So let me go ahead and get this cut open, or tore open. And here we go. Right there. Alright, and as many of you know, this is the 2 rolls of Mercury dimes for spot. At least that's what it's supposed to be. Look at how well this is packaged. See if I can get a closer view of that. Look at this tape wrapped around this stuff. Whoa, they definitely don't want this coming open. So let me see if I can get this open here. Be better if I can just start it at the tape side instead of trying to cut it, but I might just have to cut it. Is this fiber tape type stuff? I don't know what the official name of this tape is, but they all seem to use it, and it's pretty sturdy stuff. Let me go ahead and just cut this stuff open. That's probably the easier way to go. Tear open this side, tear open this side, and boom, there we have it. 2 rolls of Mercury dimes, we do believe. So let's open one of these up. Well, let me try this one. So the suspense is killing me. Here we go. We can see the top here. Yes, it is. It is a Mercury dime. 1937, I believe. We can get her out and put her on the coin cam, but let's take a look at them first. So let's go ahead and put this over on the coin cam. Take a look at it. Looks pretty good. Let's flop on over there. Yeah, 1937. That's pretty cool looking. Let's flip her over. Take a look at the other side. Pretty nice. Typical looking Mercury. Nothing wrong with that. So here we have a nice roll of Mercury dimes. And we just kind of go through them here real quick. No real slicks or anything. I guess I don't have to hang on to them. I guess I can put them down here on the desk and take a look at them here. And looks pretty good. I like it. Nice job, Monument. Those are some nice looking dimes. Wonder where you anybody ever wonder where they get these types of things from? I mean, if they're going to sell us all 2 rolls for spot, and I'm sure they sold a lot of them. I wonder where they get all those from. I always kind of wondered if it's just from inheritance type stuff. I mean, does somebody really have this much stacked? Try to get this other one open. But yeah, I mean, because all the dealers have them. You see them on eBay. You keep hearing that one of the reasons why people buy them is because you're getting less and less each day. And I have heard stories of coin dealers tell me that they send away a lot of their constitutional for melt. But it still seems like there's quite a bit out there. Of course, I don't think anybody for sure knows how much, but still trying to get this other roll open. Looks like this tape's just kind of got it stuck. So Okay, here we go. Finally broke it open. Let's take a look at this one. Ooh, look at that. Aren't those beautiful? Of course, my hand in the background doesn't make them too beautiful, but so let's go ahead and can keep this pile in view like so. And then we'll kind of just take a quick look at these. Let me get ready for my coin cam here. And yeah, these look pretty good as well. Go ahead and set them down. Take a quick look. Yeah, nothing wrong with these. These look really nice. Put that over there. Go over, take a look. 1945. Flip it over. It looks pretty normal to me. Go back over to here, and got some orange light on these today. Let me see if I can take care of that. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot better because it's made those dimes look like they really had something wrong with them. This one does seem to have a little bit of something in there, but kind of looks like that stuff that the Provident ones had that I sent back. Throw it over on the coin cam for a minute. Closer look. It doesn't really show up on the coin cam because I've got it on the black and white, but that's okay. That's fine. It's not bad at all. But you know, I'm pretty impressed with the condition of these. They look to be in pretty good shape. So again, good job, Monument, and thanks for giving them to me at spot. That's really cool. Free shipping as well. A lot of times if you buy things at spot, not a lot of times, but sometimes when you buy them at spot, the people that say $99 free shipping, and then if you buy something at spot, and even though it's over $99, they'll still want you to pay free for shipping unless you buy, you know, $100 more of something else. So this was a really great deal, and it took exactly 2 weeks to the day to get here, and which is, like I said earlier, pretty common when you pay with a check or e-check. Actually, if I would have paid with a check, it probably would have taken another 4 or 5 days to get here. Anyway, that's it for now. I just wanted to show everybody what my 2 tubes from Monument looks like, and I'm sure that we'll see some more postings as people continue to get these in the mail. Okay, so I got the dimes back in the tubes, and I just wanted to throw a question out there and ask you guys what you think. So how many of you guys think that these bullion dealers actually check these coins before they send them out? Do you think they go through and look for key dates from these dimes, quarters, 50-cent pieces, whatever? Do you think that they have the resources necessary to actually skim through all these dimes and make sure they're not sending out anything worth more than, you know, melt or spot value? So what do you think? I mean, it would seem to me that they don't have those types of resources, but on the other hand, why would you not? Why would you send out something that may be worth, you know, $5 or $10 or who knows, even more? So what do you think? Whether it's Monument or Provident or any of the other online dealers, or how about even local coin shops? Do you think they take the time to look? I know the one I recently went to bought the dimes off of a person that brought them in and turned right around and sold them to me. So I know in that particular example they didn't take the time to look through them. So what do you think, though? It would seem to me that, again, my opinion is that yes, they would. Just because, you know, who knows if that 1916D is coming through there, and how are you ever going to know if you don't look? So even if you don't pay someone very much money, it's still going to cost quite a bit of money to have somebody go through the 90% constitutional silver that comes through your doors. So I just thought it'd be interesting to maybe almost take a little poll here. Do bullion dealers and or coin shops go through their constitutional silver before they ship it back out? It's just a question I have, and I'm curious your thoughts, and I'll see if I can do a poll and put it up there, and it'd be interesting to see what you guys think. Thanks a lot, and please, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do that as well. And as always, let's keep talking bullion.